how to create a video with pictures and videos included. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open your gallery. After you do so, you can just select the photos which you want to add to your video. So after you do so, you can also add videos, and you can see the create option right next to share if you are using a Samsung device. If not, don't you worry, you can see something like create. Go ahead and tap on it, and what you need to do is click on movie. As soon as you do this, you can see that the contents will be added. You can just go ahead and rearrange it, you can shorten them, and you can also increase the length of the video. So you can just go ahead and do this, shorten the photos or videos, or you can also increase it. After you do so, you can see the option of done. Just go ahead and finish this first, and you can just go ahead and click on done. So after you do this, you can just go ahead and tap on save movie. But before you do that, you can easily select it. If you want to do it, go back, click on edit, and if you want to add in some text, stickers, some notes, or even the audio, you can just go ahead and do this. You can add in your own music or your soundtrack as well. So after you do this, just go ahead and tap on done and click on save movie. Once you do this, the movie or the video which you created with the photos and videos on your gallery will be turned into video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.